Well, here it is, folks. One of those cars we love to look at while it's here at Buyavette in our showrooms in Atlanta, Georgia, and you can look at it online in this video and some beautiful photos on our website as well. This is one of the rarest and most recognizable cars ever built, and this is a body-off restored 1955 Corvette Convertible in that beautiful Polo White exterior. Has a red interior, a beige convertible top, which is currently not installed. But under the hood, you'll find a 195 horsepower, 265 cubic inch V8 restoration engine with matching numbers, powerglide automatic transmission. Features on this car include a parking brake alarm, windshield washers, signal-seeking AM radio, heater, courtesy lights, turn signals, whitewall tires. Remember, this is a 1955 Corvette. Just a beautiful car, and unlike the 1954 Corvette, of which 3,640 were produced, just 700 Corvettes were built for 1955. So this is rare. This is a very rare car. So this is a collector's item for sure. There are just far few of those left today. You can imagine that. Now, while the 1955 Corvettes look nearly identical to their predecessors from the outside, there's one big difference, and that's under the hood. As 1955 was the first year for a Corvette to feature a V8 engine. Now, this car was originally assembled, yes, we have the date, on September 7th, 1955, and this is in nice condition. Overall, you'll find it's in very nice condition. And it has had the same owner since 1976. The owner spent quite a bit of time and money researching how to properly restore this car, and tons of research photos, diagrams, and a few books will accompany this Vette to its new owner. This 55 shows very good paint with a great shine. The convertible top frame is not currently installed and is likely going to need some restoration work before the new convertible top, also included, can be installed on it. But you do have that restoration convertible top available. Original side plexiglass windows not installed are included as well. The exterior chrome, stainless steel are all in very good condition, as are the taillights and weather stripping. The correct T3 headlights are in place. This is an exciting car to look at. Take a good look at it here on this video, but also go to the beautiful pictures. We have an excellent photographer. Michael does a great job here at Buyavette, and you can see this car in great detail. This is just an exceptional car. Give us a call at buyavette.net here in Atlanta, Georgia. We look forward to hearing from you, and then give one of our sales representatives a call here at Buyavette. Our number here is 770-414-5552. And remember, we have over 120 Corvettes in stock, always here on our lot here in our showroom and on our lot in Atlanta, Georgia. And we ship everywhere. We ship cars every month, nationwide and worldwide. So you will be surprised to find how economical that can be. This is a beautiful car. Make it yours today. Be that collector you always wanted to be with this beautiful Polo White 1955 Corvette Convertible. See you real soon at Buyavette.net.